Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can shop from Shein. So if you haven't downloaded it, you can download it from Play Store or App Store and make sure you are logged in before you shop from Shein. Here I'll just open the Shein app first. You can select any of the clothes you like and add to the cart. You can choose any clothes from here, or if you want particular clothes, you can also search from the top search icon, which is at the top right of the screen beside the bag icon. You can also enter the name here what you are searching for. Here I'm searching for dress, so I'll just enter dress and search. Below you will see various options of dress. You can choose any of one. So here I've selected one of dress which is at $19. You can check for the size and colors. I'll select for the brown color which is khaki and size small. You can check for the detailed information about the dress and you can look for the review. The review for the dress is 4.7. Here you can also see in the comment section the pictures are uploaded by the customer. Now just scroll down and you'll see the last option there where it says add to bag. Tap on that. So here your dress will be added to the cart. Now for the process of payment for ordering the dress, you must go to the bag icon which is at the top right of the screen. Tap on that. As you can see that your selected dress had been displayed on the screen. Now you must tap on the checkout which is at the bottom of the screen. Now you must enter your country name and all the detailed information what the app asks for you. You must enter your first name, last name, your phone number, your city, province, postal code and address and save. So after you are done with entering all the shipping details asked by the app, tap on the save which is at the bottom of the screen. So make sure you enter all your current shipping details and address for the app. And after you are done with that, tap on save which is at the bottom of the screen. So after you are done with checkout, you must enter your payment details and you'll be notified about when will you receive the product you ordered. I don't want to order anything right now, so I'll not show you in the display, but these were the few easy and simple steps how you can order or shop from Shein. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.